Hello students, welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am back again with one more very important video that's nothing but 1 second, one short answer video. What actually is this video? It's a very interesting video students. Quickly, it's going to cover your full inorganic chemistry and most important, I'll be giving you the correct answer. What should you do? Basically, take out a book. As I always say, note all the questions, take the answer. Because now you have your exams in new pattern CBSE exams, correct? So this particular video will be helpful for your boards. This particular video will be helpful for your JEE as well as NEET examination also students. So CBSE students and all other students, welcome. For all the old students who are there with me, thank you so much for being with me. And for all the new students who are there or who are watching, please be connected, stay connected. Your Vani ma'am is always working for you all. Right. Welcome students. So what should you do? Take out a notebook, take a pen, start noting the answer. Question, answer, quick. Everything should be in 1 second. Perfect. So that's why I have given the title as 1 second, one short answer video. Very important. Let's start off with the session students. Right. So let's read the question, tick the answer. Read the question, tick the answer. Because we have to get that 70 out of 70. Time is less. Answer should be correct. Question should be perfect. Related answer, I need to tick in 1 second. Right. Let's start off with the question students. Ready? Start with the session. Yes. Let's see the first question students. Whose boiling point is more? Quickly we are going to write, tick the correct answer. Okay. Whose boiling point is more? Basically, if I have to take, okay, let me take a different pen for you all so that it's basically it will be clear for you. Let me take a pen. Which pen? Black will do? Okay, chalo, done students. First question. Whose boiling point is more? We very well know due to hydrogen bonding. Tick this answer. Tick. Perfect. Which is more basic? I said in fraction of a second we have to give. Right. Which is more basic between ammonia and bismuth? If they give you, ammonia is more basic. Which is thermally more stable? Yes. Stability. H2S is more stable because the size is small. Perfect. Fourth question. Which is more reducing in nature? Okay. H2O or H2S? H2S. Which is more acidic in nature? All rapid fire we are going to do students. Which is more acidic? Larger the size, easy to release the number of electrons. Perfect. Question number 6. Which has more?
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me. Unacademy introduces Ask a Doubt feature, a personal tutor. Students, this is going to help you in completing your assignments, homeworks, and it will also be helping you in doing your self-study. Timings would be, it's going to start off from 6 a.m. till 11 p.m. for the whole day. Here is a procedure students. Step 1, go to your Google Play Store. There download the Unacademy Learning app. Then as soon as you open, you get started, give your mail address or the mobile number, whichever is possible. Next step, once you enter there, your Unacademy mail ID, enter, go to continue. Select your residence, where you're staying, which state. You get an OTP to your mobile. After that, search for the goal, grade 11 or grade 12. Select your language of preference. Then you would get an option, yes, welcome bonus of almost 200 credits earned. That's a additive to your account. Then you can directly go. You have the scrolling as you see. There's an ask a doubt feature over there. Simple as that. Enter the code, right? There's an invite code asked. Then you can click it. Yes, you're ready to get your doubt solved. What should you do, students? Wherever you have doubt, first important thing, take a picture or choose it from the gallery. Then comes your step 2, cropping the picture. Then comes your step 3, either uploading or submitting your question. Step 4, as you know, once you send students, how many of our unlimited doubts are there? Whether it is in maths, physics, chemistry or biology, select the subject which you want your doubt to be cleared. Then you can just type, right, I have a doubt. Can I get the solution? It's already there, uploaded, you sent it, you have sent it, cropped it.
So automatically you get your doubts cleared from your educators. Right, students? Instantly, n number of doubts, both in English and Hindi. Easy? Yes, students. Follow the steps. All are available.
Yes. So there's a wonderful opportunity for you all students. You're going to ask just 10 doubts. Just ask 10 doubts and you'll be getting 15-day free subscription offer. So this 15-day free subscription offer is going to be valid till 10th March. Remember students, ask a doubt, that to 10 doubts and get a free subscription for 15 days. Utilize this opportunity. We are waiting for you students. Yes. I am there with grade 12 students where I'll be solving previous year's questions. This batch is going to continue for 2 months. All the core subjects, that is chemistry, physics, biology and mathematics are going on students. I'll be taking the sessions on Monday and Wednesday between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Please join me. These are the Unacademy subscription features where we have daily practice sessions, weekly mock tests, live quizzes, daily MCQs and subjective test series where a 360-degree support system would be there. So please join our students using my referral code VANILIFE. These are the Unacademy subscription pricing, both for plus and iconic features. Just check here students, you have an opportunity for joining us in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 15 months and 18 months. Yes, it's up to you. Please check the prices and join me. Use my referral code VANILIFE. Now, in the month of March, you'll be getting 5% discount students. So, utilize that and join me for the live classes every day. Download the Unacademy app from Google Play Store. Remember to use my referral code VANILIFE. Getting free sessions for both grade 12 students, basically in the month of March. I have scheduled so many sessions students. Let us see those. This session starts on 1st March and it's going to continue almost for the whole month students. Here I have mentioned the topic, I have mentioned the date, I have mentioned the timings also. Important thing, all are free classes. Please join me. Every topic whichever I deal are the most important concepts for your board examination. Let's crack board 2021. Join me students. Please note all are free special classes. I'll be conducting live quizzes on different chapters of organic chemistry, which will be giving a complete summary of the chapter. Join me students for free special classes, which are there available in the Unacademy app. So as I have mentioned, this journey is going to continue till 27th March. Meet me for the special classes every day at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And for the YouTube sessions every day between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. join me. The link for Ask a Doubt feature is given in the description. Please go through the link for both grade 11 and 12 students. Join me students, ask a doubt, that is 10 doubts and get free 15-day subscription on the Plus platform. Thank you so much.
Bond angle, right? Ammonia, bismuth or phosphine, whichever has the lone pair of electrons. When I see ammonia is the answer. Which dissolves more in water? Whichever has hydrogen bonding, ammonia is the answer. Which is the basicity? What is the basicity of H3PO4? 3 is the answer. Which is more reducing? Phosphoric acid. So here little change students, this should be phosphoric. Okay, I'm sorry, this should be phosphoric. RIC. Okay, which is more reducing, phosphonic or phosphoric acid? Okay, oleic acid is more reducing. Remember, which is more acidic in nature? 10th one, HOCl, HClO3. More number of oxygen atoms, more would be the reducing power. Okay, next question. Which one disproportionates on heating? Which reaction? It shows disproportionation reaction on heating is the answer. H3PO3 or H3PO4? Answer is this. Which has more boiling point? Again, you need to see the hydrogen bonding, water or HF, more electronegative. Which is a better complexing reagent? Both the things. Which will form more complex? Ammonia. Which can act both as oxidizing as well as reducing agent? Yes. Oxidizing reducing agent, sulfur dioxide. What is oleum? Pyrosulfuric acid or pyrophosphoric acid? We know it is pyrosulfuric acid. Next, sulfuric acid is prepared by Ostwald's process or contact process? Contact process. What is the covalency of nitrogen in N2O5? It's 5. Number of atoms surrounding. Which one exists? R3PO exists or R3N? So basically it doesn't have any d orbital, so this exists. Which decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate solution? Moist SO3 or moist SO2? When copper metal is treated with dilute HNO3, what is produced along with copper nitrate and water? What are the gases? Always remember, students, when you take dilute acid, only one simple concept. You are going to get NO gas. With dilute NO, with concentrated NO2. Got it? Oh, easy. You're getting understanding. Next, students. 21st question. The spontaneous combustion of which gas is technically used in Ohm's signals? Whether phosphine or H2S, PH3. Name the common acid used in pickling of stainless steel, oxidizer in rocket fuels and in explosives. Quick answer, HNO3. Which gas is poisonous and has rotten fish smell? Yes, PH3. Right? So careful, students, don't immediately write hydrogen sulfide as a poisonous gas. That's why phosphine. Next comes 24th. Which one of the oxides will not have two different nitrogen oxygen bond length? Okay, will not have. So which of these oxides of nitrogen will not have two different? That's nothing but N2O4. Because it forms a dimer, isn't it? It's a dimer form, right? Which acid is more acidic? As I said, more number of oxygen atoms you need to see. But here, in this case, CrO3. The catalyst which is used in contact process are, whether it is platinum, rhodium gauge at 500 Kelvin or N9 bar or B2O5. So, vanadium pentoxide is used in contact process. Which is the anhydride of HNO3? Means if you remove the water molecule, what is the anhydride? So, N2O5. Right? Very good. Easy, students? Yes. Which one is colorless gas? Neutral, reactive, paramagnetic and dimerized. Simple. NO because of the odd electron. Which one does not have POP linkage? Phosphoric, polymetaphosphoric, hypophosphoric. Yes, students? Yes, hypophosphoric. That's the answer. You write the structure and check. Which acid is strongest acid? Perchloric or H2SO4? Perchloric is the answer. Easy. Next question, students. Spontaneous combustion of which one is technically used in Ohm's signal? Just now we have used this question. Almost similar, but options are different. Phosphine. The acid which contains bond having strong reducing properties, whether POH or pH. See, strong reducing property, something which donates the hydrogen. So pH. Which one is not responsible for ozone layer depletion? NO2. Chlorofluorocarbons and NO, they deplete. Next comes 34. Which statement is incorrect about white phosphorus? P4 has 6 pp single bonds, 4 phosphorus single bonds, 4 lone pair of electrons, and the bond angle is 6. Okay, right. What is the correct answer, students? Basically, when I have to see this, incorrect statement is 4 phosphorus single bonds, because when you check the phosphorus, how it is arranged, okay. Next, students, 35th question. The number of POP bonds in cyclic trimetaphosphoric acid. Yes, simple. 3. The gases produced in the thermal decomposition reaction of lead nitrate and ammonium nitrate are. Yes. Can anybody tell me? Yes, students? Okay. I'll give you this particular thing to give me a clue. I'll just, small thing, I'll give you an idea, students. N2O, NO or N2O, try once, try this reaction. Try by yourself and tell me what is this. Then you will know. I'm just giving you a clue. What should you do? You should take lead nitrate and add ammonium nitrate. Means basically you just decompose lead nitrate and you decompose ammonium nitrate. I took one video also on this. Nitric oxide or nitrous oxide. What is that? Okay, check. Try by yourself. The ONO bond angle is maximum in. The ONO bond angle is maximum in which one? It's maximum in A. Remember? No? Check. It's maximum in NO3 minus. Then which of the following has the least bond angle? Right, larger the size. Which statement is wrong for NO? Which statement is wrong? It is anhydride of nitrous acid. That's right. Its dipole moment is 0.22. That's also right. It forms dimer. Right? Yeah. Just check carefully, students. Which statement is wrong for NO? So NO, is it paramagnetic? Yes. It forms dimer. Check, students. Correct only. Because there is an odd electron. No. But important thing, NO, NO2, N2O. Don't get confused. Okay. Check carefully. Right. Okay. I'm giving this question also for you. Try by yourself and tell me. Try by yourself and tell me. Post this in the Ask It Out feature. I'll answer it. Last question, students. Which of the following hydrogen halide is most volatile? Which is most volatile? Larger the size, more volatile. Simple. So we have done 40 questions in almost 10 minutes, isn't it, students? I started explaining one question. I gave the options. So keep noting. This is the time you need to do or learn all the questions like this. Easy, isn't it, students? So the whole of inorganic chemistry is covered in this. Thank you so much for watching. And my request is, students, share it. How much ever you can, please share the video. And whatever homework I have given for 2 questions, try to solve it and send it through the Ask It Out app. Send your answer to that. And I request you to join me on the Telegram channel. Telegram channel link also is given in the description. Note it. Thank you so much, students. I'll meet you again with one more video. Stay connected. Bye-bye.